Ever wanted to test crypto trading before a coin even launches? You can actually do it right now. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Dashboard V4 for BlockDAG is now live. It's a fully functional demo exchange. It features live charts, an interactive order book, and instant balance updates. Users can even simulate selling with zero risk. The buy button is active, giving instant presale access. BlockDAG offers a hybrid blockchain DAG architecture. Basically, it combines proof-of-work security with directed acyclic graph scalability, designed for speed, decentralization, and future proofing. BlockDAG also offers their own academy for on-chain learning. It's a structured program where you can learn blockchain and earn verifiable credentials. Here is where education meets innovation, built directly into the ecosystem. A third thing BlockDAG offers is a transparent explorer. Now, this is a live network explorer that lets users track DAG transactions, miners, and even academy achievements. This proves transparency even ahead of the launch. And you can see everything on the explorer: BlockDAG price, total blocks, last safe block, total transactions inside the network, and the transaction history. If you scroll a bit down, you can also see the latest blocks, the block number, hash, the age, the transaction count, gas use, gas limit, and also the latest transactions inside the network. Now, on the left side, if you go on blocks, you can see all the blocks ever created. On transactions, all the transactions ever executed inside the network. And you have also contract listings and verifications. Under that, you have token and node visualizer. Price is about to increase from $0.0016 to $0.03. And there are already 2.5 million miners engaged via the BlockDAG app. They have a strong team and a huge community across Telegram, Discord, and Twitter. They have fortifying blockchain security at every level, with internal audit done, external audit done from Halborn, and a second external audit done from Certic. They have confirmations that they will be listed in some of the top exchanges around the globe, like Mexc, Bitmart, Lbank, Coinstore, and 15 more Tier 1 and US exchanges. And their core attributes are lightning fast decentralization, security, EVM compatibility, drag and drop development, and an innovative fee structure. Dashboard V4 is live. Test trading today. Explore the tech and get in before the presale closes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and give us a comment with any questions that you may have. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.